Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a simple water drop. For this, you'll need a piece of paper, a regular old pencil. If your paper is not white, you'll need a white colored pencil. Grab an eraser, a white pen. I'm using my Uniball Gel Impact Signo. And last but not least, a Q-tip. Let's get started. I will start out by drawing a regular old circle. I am going to draw two other shapes just to show you that this idea can translate into various forms of water drops. Using your pencil, go ahead and shade in the left side of your water drop. I tend to do mine a little to the top and the left. There are no awards to be won for shading in as hard as you possibly can right now, so just nice and easy. You just want to color it in. Once you finish that, grab your Q-tip. This is probably my favorite part. You are going to rub that in with your Q-tip. You are creating a gradient here, so please be sure to leave that right side blank. We will get to that in a little bit. Now, your Q-tip should have some of your pencil on there. You are going to draw a little crescent shape on the outside of your water drop. It's okay if some of it gets in your untouched area. We can always erase that next. This will be opposite of the part that you shaded in the very first step. So we are creating a shadow that will be caused by the water drop. Since I am not using white paper today, my next step is to fill in with my white colored pencil. Now, if you go to fill it in and realize that you've smudged in your white area, go ahead and grab your eraser and clean that up a little bit. Now you should be ready to use your white. If you use your pencil in the top left corner, you are going to start with your white in the bottom right. And so I'm going to do a really bright white crescent, and then I'll go back and shade with my white colored pencil until I get a really nice gradient. So it'll be the brightest white on the right side, it'll be the darkest dark on the left side, and then it will be somewhere in the middle. Okay, you can grab your Q-tip after this step and blend it a little bit more. If you are using the same side that you used earlier, just be aware that it will probably make your white areas just a little bit darker. Now that I've gotten a fairly good gradient, I am going to go back in with my pencil and create the darkest dark on the left side. I always save this step for last so that it will not get blended out. After this, I'm going to outline my water drops with my pencil. So you do want a nice dark outline around the entire thing. Once your outline is done, go ahead and grab your eraser again. We are going to put a small little triangle, and by put, I mean erase, a small little triangle in the shadow area that we created with our Q-tips early on. It will be next to your white crescent and opposite your darkest dark. This is going to represent the light shining through the water drop. The last step is to add highlights to our water drop, and we are going to do that with our white pen. Any white gel pen should be fine. I have found that the one by Uniball works the best. So in your dark area on the left side, you're going to draw a line that matches the curve of your water drop, and then I like to do a couple little dots too. It doesn't have to look the same as mine. You can play around with it and see what you like best, but it does usually follow the shape of your water drop, and it will always go in your darkest area. I hope that you learned a lot today and that you are successful in drawing your own water drops at home. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for being here.